Ready? Go counting.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
You want to sit down in the chair to count? Okay, go for it.
Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 8, 10.
You skipped a couple. Good job. Can you try again?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Well, now you missed 5. Remember
5.
5. What comes after 5?
6.
Then what?
Go fast.
Go fish. Okay, try again.
What did you say? Go what?
Go back. Good.
Ellison, sit down on the chair, please.
Go fast.
Okay, sit down on the chair, please.
She's saying goldfish.
It's a whale. Can you sit down? Can you be a good listener and sit down?
No.
Ellison, sit down. Thank you. Okay, are you going to count? Are we all done counting?
I'm done counting.
Okay.
Count. 1, 2. Go fast. Go fast.
Too distracted.
Go fast.